My name is Rene Naufahu, and I am half Tongan, quarter Samoan, and German-Irish. And I'm an actor, writer, director.
Sam Malini?
Yeah, that's me.
First day back, come back to Shorty Street was really awesome.
How am I doing?
You're too detached. You need to connect more.
No, Sam Malini is the last one who should be finding fault.
I was back on the ambulance and I froze.
All my early stuff was with Frankie Adams. You know, she said, oh, so how long have you been away? And I said, oh, about 20 years.
Sam, help!
And she goes, oh, what a coincidence, I'm 20 years old. Yeah. I was one who punched her in the facials. First got the front cook to say that I got the role of Shorty Street. I hung up because I thought it was one of my mates ringing me up to take the mickey out of me. I responded to instant fame. It was very difficult for me. I didn't like it at all. It was a novelty for my brothers and sisters and for my friends. And Mum and Dad were really proud, but me inside, I hated it. I hated it, but I've grown up now.
I think you're so high and mighty, eh? You're not the only victims here.
Hey, you're a murderer! Get back here!
Markets was my writing and directing debut. And then after the Markets, I was going to go and do some outrageous fortune. But I went there and I just realised that I wanted to tell my own stories.
They call me Zoe, but I like Z. Like Xena Warrior Princess.
Last scene is a film about a teenage boy who is forced to do really bad things so that he can raise money for his mum to get her into drug rehab.
Minka, this is the situation. Your mum's sickness, it's not covered by ACC.
It's a modern-day urban Auckland crime drama. And hopefully all you guys are going to like it. It's a pretty sick film. 10 years ago, we had Shiona's wedding, #2.
Your pig. What's his name?
Crispy.
And the Market, and it was going to herald in the new arrival of this exciting kind of, not just Polynesian, but real Pacific drama. It never really occurred. I wanted to make a model with The Last Saint where I can shoot a film affordably, you know, and just create a great team around me. And I think we've done that.
If there's anything I can do to help you settle in,
Let's grab a beer once this is blown over.
great. I look forward to that.
The first thing I did was I spoke to my mum. Mum, they want me to get back on Shorty Street. And she said, you know, you should go back. Because I think she gets free food at certain markets for being mother of Sam. So she wanted to clock that ticket back on, you know. I mean, I'm a typical island boy. I just want to make Mum and Dad proud.